Fallen Angel. I hear the choppers hovering, they're hovering overhead. They've come to get the wounded, they've come to get the dead. Met so many people, fixed so many birds, we did our damn best, I'll give you my word. 1/6 Cavalry will always be home, 6101 could have thrown me a bone. 214th Mannheim in Germany, so simple and easy, that's VIP. Iraq and Afghanistan, 2 combat tours, knew of a plethora that did 3 or 4, 5, 6 or 7, 8, 9 or 10, would do anything to see them again. Are you tracking loads balanced and fully equipped? Another one down? Don't tell me that shit, just issued your weapons and ammo too. My heart is breaking just to see you, the gunners, the pilots, what's left of them now. Time to sign off, take your last bout, escalation of force, no we always come through. Medevac, come quick, can they save you? We live, breathe and die for the red, white and blue. Put on the uniform to know the truth about all the dumb shit that we all go through. Sit back at home like you have a damn clue. Water and riprits preparing to fight. Nightmares and flashbacks will never be right. Some things we sacrifice, sleep tight tonight. Never forgetting that was your last flight. We miss you. We love you.